Hey guys, I'm Matt and welcome to another RYOutfitters Spotlight. Today we're going to be checking out Delilah Home. Delilah Home makes sustainable and organic cotton bath towels, beach towels, and kitchen towels, as well as 100% organic hemp and cotton bed sheets. The biggest thing that sets them apart is their certified quality and commitment to responsibly manufacturing their products and truly producing chemical-free, longer-lasting, higher quality, more luxurious towels. Delilah is certified to the Global Organic Textile Standard. Their products are also certified vegan, and as an added bonus, they work with the Humane Society and 1% for the Planet, as well as Rotary International. Think of them as a do-no-harm textile manufacturer that is always looking for new ways to give back. In fact, this fall, Delilah Home is donating 10% of their proceeds to Operation Warm, which supplies coats and shoes for kids in need here in the US. They're just as committed to giving back as they are to making fantastic, higher quality, extremely soft sheets, towels, and textiles. Today we're going to be checking out their organic cotton bath towels and their 100% hemp organic bed sheets. Delilah's European-made Pure Bliss organic cotton towels are 100% organic cotton, and they have a 700 thread count. They're luxurious, plush, and soft to the touch, but also stitched together to be really durable, and they're styled to look as great as they feel. They're made with long, staple, 100% Turkish cotton that's spun together to make a really fine yarn, and ultimately loomed together to make a higher quality product. That's pretty hard to beat. The end result of their looming process is a extremely lofty towel that has a extra fluffy pile that feels plush yet extremely lightweight. Extra long loops create a luxury surface that not only looks incredible, it's also extremely absorbent. In fact, it's 50% thicker than most towels. Even better yet, they have 5 different colors to choose from, all of them a little bit softer, so it's really easy to match pretty much any style. Delilah Home's hemp bed sheets are sustainably made, organic, super breathable, and undeniably stylish. They're cool and inviting in the summertime and cozy and warm in the wintertime. These award-winning, soft and luxurious sheets are 100% hemp and deliver the pinnacle of relaxation and comfort. The texture is similar to linen, although I'd say it actually is a little bit softer, and it is about 50% thicker than similar sheets, and with a 180 thread count. They're even recommended by the Wall Street Journal as worth the splurge bed sheets, and they happen to be the winners of the 2021 Good Housekeeping Best Bed Sheets Award. Best of all, they come in 4 different colors, so it's super easy to match whatever vibe you're going for. For anyone looking for textiles that really go the distance, both look incredible and feel amazing, and will pretty much make you feel like royalty, I would definitely recommend checking out Delilah Home. That's it for our spotlight of Delilah Home's 100% cotton organic bath towels and 100% hemp organic bed sheets. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video, and stay tuned for another RYOutfitters Spotlight coming at you next week.